So in this video, I'm going to show you something that I just did that is optimizing my internet, and stick around to the end of the video because I'm going to show you some testing. I'm going to test this computer here via Wi-Fi, the speed that we're running. We're going to test it just the Ethernet cable that we have, and then we're going to combine it together and test the speed with the Wi-Fi as well as the Ethernet combined. I tell you, I was shocked. Welcome to the Content Creator Tools channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Let's take a look at the cable first. Okay, so I'm going to open this Ethernet cable right here. This is going to be a Cat 8 and it's going to be about 15 feet. And the reason why I decided to go with this is because I like to live stream a lot and I want to make sure that I have a really constant connection in my system. So we're going to take it out. We're going to give you a quick look so you guys can have an idea. It has a lifetime warranty, and I'm going to bring it closer to you guys right here to see, and it's high quality nylon braided design. I do like this. Again, they sell it in 3 feet, 6 feet, 10 feet, 25, 50, and even 100 feet. So you could get a pretty big one. It's gonna be 40 gigabytes, and I tell you what, this is like a Cat 8, so it's supposed to like kind of future proof you, and it's supposed to be more than enough according to some of the research that I did. Now you guys see that it has this little Velcro little pieces, which is always good. You could utilize it for cable management and things like that. So here's a closer look of what you got going on right here, and you could guys see the cable as well, right? So just very, very cool. I love this nylon cables, by the way. I think they're just so much better quality. But again, this is kind of what you have right there. And again, we're gonna give this a try. We're gonna connect this to our docking station, so when we dock our computer, it's ready to go. So the company does says that it's compatible with many different things. This may include things such as a modern PS4, Xbox, printers, and it's also backward compatible with Cat 7, Cat 6E, Cat 6, Cat 5, and other connections out there. The fact that the cable is flat is actually pretty good too, because as you can see, being flat, that means that you could put it underneath a carpet, underneath anything, and it's not going to bulk out or anything like that. It's going to lay down flat, and it's just going to be very easy to run it. And it's definitely hard to see right there, but it's going to have gold plater RG45 connectors, and apparently those connectors in there are going to be something that is going to be critical in order to maintain that fast high-speed accuracy. So we're going to set it up here in the computer. Okay, here we're running a quick test just using my Wi-Fi, and we're going to compare the Wi-Fi to the cable. We turned the Ethernet cable off, and we just got the Wi-Fi on, and this is going to be the results that we're going to be getting over here. So still, it says your internet connection is very fast, but you see you got 262 megabytes download and 17.9. Now let's go ahead and turn that Wi-Fi off and turn the other side on. Here we go. So there you go. Now I'm going to turn both on and see if we got different numbers. And as you can see, it appears to me that a combination of both the Ether cable and the Wi-Fi is going to give you higher numbers. So like I say, pretty shocking with this result. I'm pretty excited about it because I do live stream a lot. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.